Hi folks, I'd like to take a moment and describe our course schedule to you. The first thing to note is that Canvas doesn't allow for multi-part assignments to have different due dates. For those assignments, the due date Canvas reports is when the final part of the assignment is due. However, the course will work much more smoothly if you meet the due dates for each part of the assignment. Otherwise, you'll have quite a bit of work to do in a limited amount of time. The second thing to note is that assignments need to be submitted by 11:59 p.m. on the due date. Third, remember that for most assignments you have an automatic 1-week extension. The assignments that do not have this extension are the final project, group work, essay revisions, and workshops. For most weeks, here's the pattern of assignments. Our class is built around a 5-day work week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays you should use to prepare for work that is due on Tuesdays or Thursdays. Most weeks you'll complete a discussion board. Discussion board posts are due on Tuesdays and responses are due on Thursdays. 5 times during the semester you'll complete a workshop. For the first 3 workshops, your essay will need to be posted to the discussion board by Tuesday and your responses are due by Thursday. The last 2 workshops are on a compressed schedule and you'll find the due dates in the module for the last week of instruction. Other work, including essay proposals, essay quizzes, group projects, final drafts of essays, and optional essay revisions, as well as surveys, will be due on Tuesdays or Thursdays. As you can see, our schedule is pretty consistent from week to week. And given that consistency, I encourage you to establish a regular study schedule for completing the coursework. Altogether, you'll be spending about 9 hours a week on our class. If you were to schedule a couple hours a day, you'd find that it is easy to stay on top of the coursework. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out. Have a great one.